Hi guys, welcome to SportTube. In this video, I want to show you how to verify your Adsense address with your ID card. Here you can see we have a pop-up notification here. You are no longer show ads because the address verification process can't be complete. And I have wait a 4 month. After 4 months, I want to verify my address with ID card. Before uploading our documents, first we want to check all the information by clicking here, click to action. And if you click to the action, you have seen like this: verify your identity, confirm your personal information to get your account ready to receive a payment. And in the identity process, identity verification is complete already, but address verification need attention. So this is the reason we have this notification and our ads showing stop. So let's go back to the home, and into the home you have a learn more option end of this pop-up. Click on it. After clicking that, let's scroll down, and here we have a troubleshoot option. And in the end of this article, having a problem with your pin, so just click to the pin troubleshooter, and into the pin troubleshooter we have some option. So first one is confirm your email address, and this is my email address. I'm using AdSense, and so I just click to the yes and continue. And in the second option, you have received your pin mail, so we don't receive any mail, so I just click to no and continue. After complete a 3-step, we have a contact form. Click on it, and here we submit our information. In the top, your name, make sure you have write your AdSense name, so I just type a name. Okay, after name, add your email address. Make sure you have your AdSense email. And in the third, you just add your AdSense publisher ID. Go to your AdSense and copy this and paste it here. And in the fourth option, we want to attach our ID card by clicking here, choose file, click on it. I have my ID card in documents, so I want to upload that. This is my ID card front page. Click on it, and now choose a second file by clicking choose file. And now we select a backside our ID card. So after uploading, and make sure you have all your information right, just submit. After submit, go to your email, and as you can see, we receive a confirmation email. There have hello, thank you for contacting Adsense support team. A specialist investigation your issue and will reply soon as possible. So in this email, we confirm our documents is upload, and we just wait a few hours. After few hours, our AdSense address verification complete. So this is the way how to verify a PIN address with ID card. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming updates. See you next time.